Hey, this is the DIY Magician with another grab bag special. We go to thrift stores and we find the grab bags, we bring them back here, we open them up, and we have fun in the process. So hang on, we'll be right back. Here it is, another bag for the grab bag special. That's right. This is a $1.99 bag. Got it at the America's Thrift Store. And I got carried away and started buying stuff that day. And I don't know why I bought this. The only reason I can think of buying this was it has 3 of the Gingy dolls in it, little Gingy figures. So 3 of those. 1 or 2 of those, excuse me. Ready? Okay, then we can do this. Listen, this will be fun. There they are, the Gingy Bros. Come on, Gingy Bros. Stay!